Okay, so when you look at this equation, you guys notice that these two numbers are similar. One's a -6, one's a +6. Okay? If that happens, you can use the elimination method to find out what your letters are. So let's take a look at what you do when that happens. Go ahead and just put a plus sign between the two equations. When you do that, that means you have to add everything from the top with everything from the bottom. And when you do that, something will eliminate. So when I do that, I'm going to take 5x. So I have to go from each number, 5x plus 3x. It's a magic button. You hit plus 5x plus 3x gives you 8x. Hopefully that sound reminds you to do it each time. Okay? -6 right here, -6y plus 6y, they cancel out, so it's 0. Okay? Nothing is there. So I can just erase that because they eliminate. Okay? These letters and numbers eliminate. I bring down the equal sign, and then I have -32 plus 48. So when I do that, -32 plus 48 is 16. Make sure you remember that you have to add each one each time. Now this is something like we've always done. 8x equals 16. What are we doing with a number next to a letter? Divide. Excellent. Divide both sides by 8, and I get x equals 2. I am partway done, so I'm just going to go down here. This is my x, this is my y, and I'm going to put 2 right there. Now I have to find out what y equals. So all I do, I take a look at my original equations and decide which one I want to put it in. To make life easier for you, pick the equation where it's a plus and not a minus. It doesn't matter which one you use, but it makes life easier if everything is positive. Okay? But it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and take this x. I use a different color so you see the substitution going in. And I'm going to put it in for that x right there. So when I rewrite it, I'm going to take 3 parentheses, x equals 2 now. Then I go ahead and put plus 6y equals 48. This is something we've always done. Number next to parentheses. We're just putting in one number. And yes, we're going to multiply. So 3 times 2, we get 6 plus 6y equals 48. Just like usual, circle, draw my wall. The circle tells me to start on that side and do what's next to it. This is actually positive 6. Excellent. You minus 6 to both sides. Those cancel out, and I get 6y equals 48 minus 6. We get 42. And now we're back to the end again. Number next to letter, we're going to divide. You agree with that? Divide, you agree? Good. Okay, divide both sides by 6. And we get y equals 7. And then I just go ahead and insert it right there. Now I have my point of intersection.